Hey everyone, I wanted to post this video of a build I did based on Lauriston Muirhead's video based out of Australia, his DIY cordless rotating sieve. This is a great design, and I know there are two people that he references in his video who came up with it before him. Everybody's added their bits to it. I just wanted to add a couple of things. If you look at my design, I don't have a support for the drill. It just is supported on the drive rod there, which was pretty easy to do. Is fast and it seems to work fine. You'll see there's a stick that comes out of the side there that holds it from flipping over. When the load gets a little heavy on the trommel, the drill will try to flip over, and so that stick coming out of there keeps it from flipping over. Also, I see no need for the center rim. My rims are actually 19-inch, a little bit smaller than some, but with those wooden 1x2s going down the length of the barrel, I think all the load is taken by them, and trying to find a third rim is a hassle to try to match two others if you have a bike or something you're using. Other than that, this is a great system. I really appreciate Lauriston sharing his video. It's fantastic. I'd use that to do this build. I encourage you to make it. I love it. It's easy to move around. It's light. Just two pieces. Do it.